smart learners, welcome to grade 8 reasoning book, and this is your chapter number 9, that is mirror and water images. Do you know why do we study mirror and water images? It opens up your brain, it improves your cognitive understanding, it develops your reasoning skills, it makes you a smarter and logical person, and apart from that, it enhances your visual skills. So here let's meet Yuvika and Yukta, who are moving back from their home and they had fun in the mall. And Yuvika is asking Yukta that is she prepared for her exam of mirror and water image which she have tomorrow. So Yuvika answered that yes, earlier she was not confident, and now by doing practice she has developed the skills to solve the questions. Now here we have a number which is reflected on her rear glass. So can you help her to check what it is written? It is KL08CA2756. Perfect. That means you have also mastered small skills of numbers and alphabets. But now is the time to move more ahead and learn how special characters are dealt when you look at the mirror image or the water image of it. So we have some special characters for you and we'll see how they appear when you look their mirror image. Here we have @ hash looks like this. This is a dollar sign. Its mirror image comes like this. Percentage looks like this. We had and like this, and question mark appear like this when you see the mirror image of it. So after understanding, let's try doing the questions based on mirror image. We have something special written on the screen, and when you want to find the mirror image, its mirror image comes just horizontally but inverted laterally. So it looks like this, right? This is how the word or any character is transformed when you see it on the mirror. Anything looked at the mirror is always at equal distance. That's the first thing you have to remember. And then it is laterally inverted. The upside remains up and the downside remains down. So looking at this, let's see how it is different from water image. When you look at the water image, it is just upside down. So could you see that this is downside, it turns to upside over here, and here we are moving up, here we are moving down. So this way we get another reflection in the water, and it is called water image of any special character. Now we have a triangle which is bifurcated in two parts, and this pink color remains pink and the green color remains green. Only the difference is that down turns to upward and upward turns to downward, and the same thing happens here in the square also. See, we have this star green color at the bottom, here it appears at the top. Next to it we have a pink color star which looks at the same position. Here it is at the bottom, here it is at the top. And moving upward we have a purple color star. So we say we move downward to get a purple color star, and this turned line is diagonally at the same location. Now can you see the arrow? Here the arrow is coming from up to down, but here the arrow is coming from downside to upside. So such images are called water images. I hope you understood it. Now let's see another example of mirror image. Again, the things remain exactly at same distance, and laterally inverted. So this arrow is going downward, it will go downward in the mirror image. Got it? And here we have this shape. It remains as it is, and another arrow which is far away in the upward direction, it remains at equal distance and in upward direction. Understood? So laterally inverted means the thing which is right over here turns to left over here, and the arrow which was on the left appears on the right in this image. Now we move further with some of more examples. So we have few special characters embedded with certain numbers and alphabets, and let's see how to get the mirror image. So P is here. If you make the lateral inverted form of P, it comes like this. So we have this P and this P. Out of B and C, now you have to choose the right option. Look at this hashtag. It comes like this. Then we have J getting laterally inverted, and moving from right to left, here we get the same combination from left to right. So we get B as the right option. Here we go. Look at the next question. What do you want here? We want the water image. So water image means turning upside down. Can you check which one is the right option? The way to find is already taught to you. Yes, perfectly answered. We get this as the water image. So this part remains at the top with a circle, and this triangle turns to upside down, and they are not replacing their left and right. Got it? So if you remember these clues, I believe very quickly you are going to master doing the questions based on water image and mirror image. Your time begins now. So first we have few questions of mirror images. Remember the rule that it is always laterally inverted. The left side turns to right, and this way you will be easily able to do all these questions. So gradually take small steps initially, and it will help you to increase the speed. Speed is not the factor. Remember, perfection should be the first factor when you begin with it. Few more questions we have where the right image is given and you want to bring the images of mirror image on the left side. So in these questions, be a bit careful, and I know once you start doing it, you will really be able to crack these questions correctly. And here we have the questions of water images. What is the key rule for water image? Yes, it is upside down. Okay, so make sure that you come up with the right answer, always remembering upside down at equal distance. So here we go with more questions for you, and I know you will become a logically smart student once you start solving these questions. Now I have brought a brain twister for you in which we could see one elephant and turtle enjoying the rain, and its water images formed here. We have drawn it, but we have 3 mistakes here, and it's question for you to find out 3 mistakes from here, and your time begin now. My smart brain starts working.